Hello my loves, it's Kasha Planarista 101. So today we're going to be creating a spread in my Catch-All planner, which is Sketchy Florals. This is a classic size happy planner, and there's a vertical layout. And today we're going to be using stickers from Live Love Posh. It's the week of July 21st through the 27th. It's my birthday week, so I'm super excited. I don't know if I'm going to be doing a traditional birthday spread. I don't even know what a traditional birthday spread is, to be honest. But I do have a couple stickers and sticker books that I want to use. So I created this really pretty combo for myself where I know these stickers will match. So I pulled out the Posh Party, and there's like a happy birthday and candles and stuff, boxes, because I need boxes as well. I'm gonna use from Lux Spring because they seem to match in color. And then the Summer Love had like the first collection in it, has these stunning like party party girls and darker florals, and it's just gorgeous, and I can't get enough of it. So here we go. I'm gonna start doing that. If this is your first time joining my channel, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. If you have been here before, welcome, welcome back. I am back from my vacation. It's time to get back into real life, so I need to do all the things like meal prep again and do all the fun stuff, you guys. So that's where I'm at. It is quite good, right? Because why wouldn't it be? Um, I'm rested, I'm ready to roll. This is where I am right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and create this checklist for myself for every single day. So Monday through Sunday, I'm gonna have some stuff to do. So I need checklists and boxes and decorations. So bear with me as we combine all of that, okay? So here we go. The first thing is we're gonna go ahead and do all the checklists because this way we can get them out of the way, and the rest will be boxes and decorations, which is so much more easier to manage once I already know that I have my other stuff in place, you guys. So that's where I'm kind of in right now as far as that goes. So I'm gonna put a little candle thing from the Posh Party on the 24th, 25th, because that's when more than likely we're going to be celebrating. My birthday is 24th, and because July 24th is 7/24, I always joke because also I'm European, so you say the day first, the month second. So my birthday is 24/7. Not fun. So yeah, jokes aside, that's really my birthday. And I'm gonna pull out some boxes, just like some plain boxes, but then I'm gonna also pull out these boxes that are combined. So I wanna go ahead and do that. So let's see. How about, yeah, how about we do that? So that's supposed to be kind of fun. Let's do it. Oh my gosh, I'm having the hardest time with these boxes to make sure that they're straight. I don't know why, but it's all these years of planning, and this has not gotten better, you guys. So, it is what it is. Okay, so super fun. I'm gonna add this really beautiful, like layered collection to this. I think that will be good. And then we can go from there. Okay, I'm gonna add more boxes right there. Okay, so anyway, let's talk about my vacation for a little bit because you guys probably see that I'm a little bit tense. So we did go to, okay, so we went to the coast of Alabama and Florida. It's called Floribama and it is so fun. It's gorgeous. The weather was so hot and amazing because it's off season. Um, just super, super fun. We went with family and our nephew, and he is so funny, you guys. I just can't stop smiling and laughing when I'm around him. He's just a ball of energy, and even when he's grumpy, like that goes away so fast. So it's so fun to have vacations with like your nieces and nephews if you have them, because you get to see all the changes and like experience all of these things through their eyes. There were jellyfish in the Gulf, so they get stung, but it's not as bad as people think. And no, I did not have anybody pee on me before you ask. Um, the advice I was given, first of all, it stings just a little, and then you're in salt water, so it's already getting disinfected pretty much by the salt. And then you go on a beach and you take a little bit of dry sand and you like rub it to get the, I think they said barnacles out, which is, I'm not sure what, but by like the next day, all you have is a red mark. Mine was pretty cool because it was like the imprint of the tentacles. Um, so yeah, kind of cool. Um, we got to teach my nephew a lot about the ocean and like the ocean creatures, like that the jellyfish don't have a heart or a brain, so their response is nerve only, and they're really not trying to hurt you. It's not something that they're doing on purpose. So that made him a lot calmer. He also went with his dad and a couple other family members to a dolphin like boat cruise. We did not go. We just took a day to ourselves that day. But he had such a brilliant questions. Like he asked, how do dolphins sleep? We found out, well, I didn't know that either, but dolphins apparently turn off half of their brain. Um, and there's like a um, muscle cell memory where they know to come up every 10 minutes to get a breath of fresh air. But how cool is that? And then when that brain wakes up, they get to turn off the other part, and that's how they sleep. Like, how amazing is that? Like, that's the only animal I think that can turn off their brain and still like be active in the ocean. So super cool. Um, learned a lot. I'm glad that he was teaching me. I think that made him so happy and proud. But yes, he also asked a lot of questions, which makes me proud that he's smart and thinking and inquisitive about life. So yeah, that was a good trip. Um, and of course, seafood. That's all I basically ate there. Incredible, right? Because we're in such a close proximity to fresh food, you cannot help but like eat all of the seafood and crustaceans. So I am so sorry if you're a vegetarian and I'm talking about this. I'm just such a huge seafood lover and I do not like wasting food, but um I am very appreciative of when I can have something so fresh. Okay, back to the decorations. So I put the kind of lanterns in, like for the party, and then the florals are in. So much stuff is in already. Remember that just because the clusters are made for you doesn't mean you have to use them the way they are. As you saw, I added a couple things Like I added these three girls to the cluster and a chair as well. So like that cluster is now completely different than anybody else's. I'm also adding flowers all around. So yeah, it's going to be quite different. So bear with me as I finish this. It's gonna be a lot of fun, at least for me, because like I said, I really enjoy creating spreads like that, especially with clusters and things like this, because to me it's a lot of fun. And like I said, I get to experience and do something different. Um, I know, again, I know it's not a typical birthday spread. Like last year, I had one that was that girl with like all of this stuff around her, and that was gorgeous. This year, I'm doing this. And again, I am a Level of Posh affiliate, so if you guys purchase from Level of Posh, I would really, really appreciate if you use code Kasia, KASIA, for 10% off. Um, it helps, every little bit helps, right? So I really, really appreciate when you guys are supporting me and using my codes. It means the world to me. Like every time I see that somebody used my code, I just smile and say like a quiet thank you, because that's truly what it is. My life is pretty wonderful and I just have so much gratitude for it. I feel very blessed. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and add the I think I need more boxes on Monday, so I'm gonna do that. But I also want to add all of these small florals from this page and do this spread kind of like put them all over and see how it looks. I don't know how I'm gonna feel about it, but you know what? Worst things worse, I take it off, right? No big deal. So that's where I'm at with it. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you like the spread. I know it's different and I know it's a little bit quirky, but this is where I'm at in my life where I really, really enjoy doing different spreads. If you guys have any suggestions of something that you want to see, let me know. I am kind of on a binge of filming that I have returned from vacation and so much catching up to do. I don't know if you guys have the same like feelings when it comes to like a vacation mode. When you come back, there's so much to do and so much to catch up on. However, it is always worth it to be able to go and recharge. I needed this more than I knew. I mean, I was so stressed. This truly did relax me. The good food has helped, like being able to focus on family and my fiance is pretty incredible. But like I said, my life is very blessed. I feel very blessed. And thank you so much for all of your support and hanging out with me. Thanks and bye.